Need help finding a job, changing careers, or getting the training you need to move ahead? Check out your Vermilion County American Job Center. Located at 407 North Franklin in Danville, the American Job Center offers a variety of free services for job seekers. Whether you are entry-level or a seasoned professional, our center resource room is equipped with computers, printers, and phones. You can learn about your local job market, work on your resume, apply for jobs, or complete other employment-related activities. Often you can make an appointment to get personal assistance to make a job search plan, find training options, or learn about job openings. You can also find out if you qualify for special employment assistance for youth, veterans, persons with disabilities, older workers, or dislocated workers. Our center offers free workshops to prepare job seekers for their job search, including preparing for an interview, setting career goals, or get answers to your questions or concerns about your career or job search. The Vermilion County American Job Center is also a great place for you to learn about other resources in our community. Our center staff can connect you with valuable assistance through our collaboration with 11 local agencies. Agencies that can provide wraparound services that will support you as you work to achieve your employment and training goals. Services such as applying for SNAP food benefits, Medicaid, childcare, housing assistance, GED or high school equivalency, training assistance, and small business development. All of our 11 partner agencies are ready to support your goals and to connect you to our valuable resources. Our common referral system will ensure that you receive the information you need in a timely manner and will close the gap and help prevent someone from slipping through the cracks in Vermilion County. Your American Job Center is fully capable of providing job seekers the opportunities they need to be successful while helping to knock down the barriers that stand in their way. So what does your future look like? Stop in today and see how the American Job Center can provide you with opportunities that will help you achieve your goals and prepare for a better tomorrow.